Hey, you're lifting hard and heavy? Well, I did my farmer's carries over there. My partner's over there. Blackie. And I'm over here somewhere. Will that work, fellas? Alright, so I'm going to do some clean and press. And that's about it. What else can I tell you? Boy, this is one low rent show here. So how's everybody working out okay? Alright. I don't even know if I'll put this on, but I'm here. I got to do something. The parents are somewhere on the coast taking a holiday, so I got my best friend over here. But I want to do some weights. Been doing a farmer's carry. When I get back to the house, I'm going to work the arms again. Like I said, I'm going to do that for a couple of months. I don't even know what it looks. See, I'm all washed out. Can't see shit. That sun is bad. Let me put my stuff on. Yeah, how about that? How's that looking now? Ooh, brings back some old times. Okay, let me put this down. Let's get started. I don't even think I can pick this up, tell you the truth. Feels pretty heavy. Feels pretty damn heavy. I don't know why, but it does. It feels heavy because it ain't heavy on this one. Let me get this set up. No time for this bullshit. You know. This hernia. If I start going down, see, here's this belt. This is low. It goes around your bone of your hip, not on your waistline. It's a pain. That's my other dog. Let's see what we can do here. First set, I'm most likely blowing my nuggets out of my back here. Alright. Gotta get in there. Tight, fellas. Tight. That's it, only one. Woo. I'll be back, you know me. I'll be back. Instead of doing reps, I'm gonna do small steps. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we can do here. To the shins, baby. To the shins, man. Right in there. Okay. Right in there. Alright. Oh, I'm not warmed up at all. Oh, man. We'll see how far this one goes. Psycho Charlie's back in town. Alright, back. Do some more. Sun's going down behind the trees now. 145, I don't know. Yeah, I could do more warm-ups. I should go, you know, the bar, and then work a 25 plate for 95. You know, but I got only this, so I gotta go with this. Start off too heavy, really. That's alright. We'll see. I can always cascade up, drop down, cascade out. I'll do that too many. We'll see how this one goes. We'll see how this one goes, fellas. Maybe too many. Look at this craziness. What the? Boy, Charlie. Yeah. Alright. At least I can clean it, right? Let's hope I can clean it. Jesus. Man. This ain't no game. Ain't no game. Good. Don't make no damn sense. Anyhow, let me get my wrist. gonna be whining to me, boy? Be whining. What? I gotta see you in my sights. I don't want to drop that weight when you're around. You understand? This is dangerous stuff here. So I don't know if I can pull this off that fast. Hang out. I'm working out. Wyatt, alright, Wyatt. We'll go with Blackie. You wanna play with Blackie? No? Well then stay right there so I keep my eye. Alright, so now it's 135, 145, 155. God only knows if I can fire that up that fast. You know what I mean? I don't know. Boy, this is the low rent workout show. I don't even know what weights I'm putting on. Sun going down. You get out of my way. I got him up to here. Go lay down. Go lay down. Go. Next thing you'll be wrapping around my recording. Huh? You're awful brave. Wyatt is right there. I mean, Wyatt's over here. They got all these cowboy names. Wyatt, Maverick. Maverick's right there. Wyatt Earp's over there. Boy, I'm telling you. What a kind of a workout show this is. I'm totally disgusted. I think I'll take up gambling next. Card counters. That's right, I already did that. Ah, man, what a waste of time on this one. He's right there. He's right there. Okay, I don't know if I can string a 155 clean right off the bat. We'll see. I'm not going to put this up. Just a jackass workout show. Let's go. Let's go, fellas. Let's go, fellas. That ain't that heavy. It ain't that heavy. Just gotta get warmed up. Gotta get warmed up. Gotta get warmed up. Yeah. All right, 155. All right, I'm back. I didn't have 2.5s. I don't know where the 2.5s are. I don't know, man. Anyhow, being I can't go up in the increments I want, I'm going to do a little trick I will do. Okay, I did. So when I thought I was doing 140, I was doing 145. Then I did 145 again. And then I did 155. All right, I really don't want to jump to 165 one now. But if I do another one of 155, I might burn myself out. So I call it a cascade, or I could call it a sawtooth. But I used to call it a cascade, where I go up to a number, and then I drop down. Then I go up high, you know what I mean? Up, down, up, down, up, down. So I'm telling you, going up, you know? Reverse cascade or something. So now I'm going to do one at 135 again. Alright? Just to get the feeling. Then go back. Because if I do a 55, I'm going to fry myself for the 160 spot. You know what I'm saying? Up and down, up and down. Then I'll go back up. Gotta hit the right line, right line. Okay, good. I'll be back. Alright? Now let me try this. What's he doing over there? Blocky's over there. Alright, let's try this. We'll see. I'm not really psyched for it. I did it before. I wish I had taped it. Anyhow. 165. First step is to clean it, right? Gotta clean it first. I don't have 2.5, so I'd have to jump to 175. I don't think so. Anyhow, that's good. That's good. Oh man, what am I gonna do? All right, clean and press 165. I'm gonna find with a 2.5 swing, because I would have tried the 170. I don't know how easy that went up. All right. Well, that's it. I'll do a few more things. I don't know. Yeah. I'll burn out on 135, do some reps. That's a good workout. And like I said, every day I'm doing the farmer's walk. I like that. Oh, I washed my cars. I got a pressure washer. So I washed that one. And I washed my truck. So that's from. What kind of weightlifting show is this? Ew, I need a gin and tonic. Or something. Maybe a cup of coffee. Alright, I lift hard and heavy, fellas. Alright? Just get to it. That's all I can tell you. I don't want to give you pep talks every day, but you know. You think I want to come out here today? But I'm just saying, I already did the farmer's walks. But I get out here. You know what I mean? Look at him. Come here. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on, come on. He won't jump on his. I've been trained not to jump because, you know, other people, he jumps and he puts his paws here, they freak out and his face is right in their face. There's my buddy. Here's my buddy. Another buddy. My canine buddy. My canine buddy, baby. How you doing, buddy? Alright. Alright, fellas. Yeah, just get to it. I don't give a shit. You get out there and you go to the gym, wherever you go. I go, oh man, I want to be here. Well, then just pick up the 5-pound dumbbells. You know, just go through something, right? And then go to the 10-pound dumbbell. You know what I mean? Before you know, you'll be doing your 15, 60-pound dumbbell. You know what I'm saying? Especially when you're older, you gotta come in slow. Yeah, that's why I start off with farmer's walks with 100. I don't even go for the single cinder blocks now. I start off with the 2s on each side. Anyhow, alright. Hernias and all, I'm still working out. So, yeah, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful out, you know. I think I got a mow again already, man. Okay. All right, take care, fellas. Blabbermouth. 17 minutes or what, right? But anyhow, really, get in there and do something. If nothing else, grab those 2 cinder blocks, 1 in each hand, and walk. And I swear you're going to wake up the next day like, where are these muscles coming from? You know what I mean? All right? And do some clean and press. You don't have to go crazy. You can do it with dumbbells. You can swing them. You understand? You can swing dumbbells. Wang. All right? So I'm happy I did that because I did it before and you guys didn't see it. I've never done that. I've never cleaned 165 for you guys before. So that's good. All right. Hang in there, fellas. Get to it.